Welcome. Today, we're diving into one of Google Chrome's most useful features for readers and multitaskers, the reading list. If you've ever stumbled upon an interesting article but didn't have time to read it, this tool is perfect for keeping those pages organized and just a tap away. Let's get started with the latest way to view your reading list in Google Chrome. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. Make sure you're running the most recent version so you have access to all the latest features and updates. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to a variety of Chrome's tools and settings. Next, from the menu, find and tap on the option labeled Bookmarks. This section is where Chrome stores all your saved pages, including your reading list. After you tap on Bookmarks, you'll see a list of options. Among them, you'll spot Reading List. Tap on it. That's it. Your reading list will now appear, showing all the articles and web pages you've saved to read later. Each item is neatly organized, making it easy to pick up where you left off or remove items you've finished reading. If you haven't added anything yet, Chrome will prompt you to start saving pages for later. The reading list is a fantastic way to declutter your open tabs and keep track of content that matters to you. Whether you're researching for work, studying, or just saving recipes and news stories, this feature helps you stay organized and efficient. So next time you find an article you want to revisit, just tap the star icon in the address bar and choose Add to Reading List. Everything will be waiting for you right where you left it. Thanks for watching, and happy reading.